Tic-Tac-Toe is one of the first games we learned to play as children, and now we can put it on your playground. Let's play! Our free play Tic-Tac-Toe panel can go anywhere on the playground, freestanding or attached to other equipment. Each of the 9 cylinders has 3 sides for competitive and social play.
I got 3 in a row!
One with an X, one with an O, and the other is blank. It's exercise for the mind, the body, and social skills. Kids and adults can play it over and over on both sides of the panel. It's durable, long-lasting, with a steel frame and posts covered in powder-coated paint. The spinning game cylinders are made of molded-in graphics. The panel is ADA compliant if it has the proper access. You remember the rule, first to 3 in a row is a winner. But this combination of play and problem solving adds variety and additional activities. It's a winner for any playground. Those are your Tic-Tac-Toe X's and O's. Can I play?
Yeah.
All right.
Already done. That's not how you play it, dude.